Welcome to DIY Builder Sim subscribers, and those who have not, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon after subscribing my channel so that you can see my latest videos first. So guys, in today's video I am going to unbox 1/32 scale diecast model of Lamborghini Centenario. So please watch this video till end, and let's start our today's unboxing video. So guys, this was the unboxing video of 1/32 scale diecast model of Lamborghini Centenario. So if you find this video interesting, so please hit the like button, and the like aim of this video is just of 100 likes. So for today's video, this was all, and let's meet in another exciting video. Till then, goodbye, and as you always say, stay very healthy, and thanks for watching the video.